Hi, I'm Steve from Chemline. Here at Chemline, we're committed to above and beyond customer service. So now, I'm going to show you how to reassemble your Probler P2 gun. First, make sure we have white lithium grease on hand to add lubrication to the O-rings and threads. We recommend Graco Fusion or Lubriplate white lithium grease. You'll also need a 3/16 and a 5/32 ball driver, an adjustable wrench, an Allen wrench, a crescent wrench, and small drill bits. To put the A-side block back together, put the seal, then spring back in. After the seal's in, we take the side block, push it back into place, apply some lithium grease to it, screw it loosely into place. Once it's secure, we'll verify that it collapses and is operable. Then we use a 1/2-inch wrench to tighten it back on. Verify it by collapsing it. If you can't collapse it, use your wrench to loosen it, collapse it, and then retighten. It should always feel like there's a slight bounce. If it doesn't bounce, it's too tight. For the check valve, you want to place the spring, place the ball. The ball must sit on top of the spring, followed by the filter housing and your 60 mesh filter. That's also greased and screwed into place. Once again, using your adjustable wrench to lock it into place. Side block is assembled. Next, we move to the gun itself. We place the mix chamber. A little bit of lithium on the threads. We screw our mix chamber into place. It's very important that we put the numbers facing up. That way the A is always facing the A side of the gun, and the B is always facing the B side of the gun. If we place it incorrectly, and the A faces the B, or the B faces the A, the gun may cross over. When we use our wrench, we want to tighten with the wrench facing where the numbers are at. Never placing your wrench where the side seals or the orify are. The B side is exactly the same. I've already pre-assembled it. I recommend to do both, one at a time, and clean in different containers of solvent. You definitely don't want to switch the parts up on accident. A part that starts on the A side should stay on the A side. Parts that stay on the B side definitely should stay in the B side solvent. Now, to reassemble the rest, we take our gun block, slide it into place, using the appropriate Allens. Here we need to be careful. It is an aluminum block. We don't want to cross thread it before we tighten all the way. We're not over torquing here. Hand tight is all that's required. After that, we're ready to put our A and our B side blocks. Again, careful attention should be made that they're going in the holes appropriately. Same for the A side. And once this is complete, we'll locate our tip insert, put our air cap, a little white lithium, adjustable wrench, so as we discussed before, the A side is marked ISO. It's also red in color to match the red drums. The B has no markings. The color indicator for it is blue. Thanks for watching this video on the reassembly of your Probler P2 gun, presented by Chemline. Click here to watch the next video in our series, or head to chemline.net to learn more about our company. You can also subscribe to get more videos on our series by hitting the subscribe button on YouTube. Thanks for watching.